If you drive 3 hours from Montreal or just 45 minutes from Quebec City, a quiet road leads you closer to this place. Wait till the end to know the location. You park the car, step out, and let the noise fade away. There's no rush here, just trees, air, and the sound of your footsteps. You can take the stairs for a gentle 10 to 15 minutes walk or follow the 5-kilometer loop where the forest slowly opens around you. Each step feels lighter, each breath a little deeper. Before you see it, you hear it. Water moving and calling. And then the falls. Quiet, powerful, softly waiting.